Hi little owls, today I have a recipe for you for oat chocolate chip snack bites. This does have almonds and peanut butter, but you can substitute that with any other nut or nut butter that you have. And this is also a vegan friendly recipe. For ingredients, you'll need 1 cup of dates, half a cup of almonds, half a cup of oats, 1/4 cup of flaxseed. Mine are rounded, so I used half of it. 1/3 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Place all of your ingredients into a food processor except for the chocolate chips, and go ahead and mix it all until the nuts are broken down and everything is completely mixed up and everything's a little bit sticky. If it's a little bit stuck and not everything is mixed together, you can add a tablespoon of water to help it mix. This is the consistency when everything is mixed together and everything can get stuck to each other. And now you're going to add the chocolate chips and fold them in. The chocolate chips. And just fold them in until they're all mixed. When everything is all mixed in, you're going to grab a tablespoon size and just make little balls just by squishing them, just like you do with Play-Doh and clay, until you have the form of a ball, like this. Make sure you wash your hands before doing this. Alright, here they are. I am all done rolling. They're ready to eat. They're so delicious. Alright, little owls, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And you can keep these in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. But I don't think they'll last that long because they're very, very good. Alright, bye. Thanks for joining me.